Hey guys. All right, I'm going to show you quickly how to use the adhesive transfers. All right, so this is the piece that I did before, and so now I'm just going to add a little bit of the adhesive transfer to it, and I will show you how to do that. Let me get my scissors. Okay, and I'm just going to add it like right here. So I'll just cut there. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to apply it the same way that we would any other transfer. So you just take it off the backing sheet and then you lay it down and use your tool to adhere it, same way that you would a regular transfer. Okay. These ones are sticky, so once you take it off, it's going to be sticky, so you need to be careful not to get anything on it and make sure that it's adhered correctly, or it gets like these little strings. It's kind of weird, but you don't want those. So let's see. It should just peel right back off. Oh, let's see, there's a little one that's not attaching. So you just go back over and use your corner to apply. Okay, just like you would a regular transfer. So here's one. You gotta quickly stick it down. All right, so now we have that on, and sorry, I'm picking one of the golds from these are the foils, and you get six sheets per tube, and each sheet size is 6 inches by 12 inches. So it's a pretty good size, and you get 6 of them. This is Golden Girl, and it comes with, I don't know if you can see that, there's like different shades of gold papers. So there's bright gold, a kind of a greeny gold, and a coppery gold. So I'm going to try and find that coppery gold. I like that coppery gold. Let's see, here it is. This one here. I'm going to pull it out. Yeah. Oh, uh-oh. Wrong way. Didn't want that. All right. You have to make sure you put it down the correct way too, otherwise it won't work. All right. So then we just lay this on, and I'm going to do it in a 2-part so that you can see. And it's going to stick, and then you can just take your tool and rub it over, and you should start to see the pattern come through. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the pattern of the adhesive transfer underneath. So that's how you know that it's adhered. All right, and then when you peel it back, you're going to know whether it's taken the foil or not. So you can see the difference where it's peeled the foil off onto the transfer. So now it's got like a kind of goldish hue. And if you notice that any of them look the same as this, then you just go back with your foil and you use your finger and you just pop it on, and you can see that it'll adhere again, see? And then you just take it off. If you want it a little thicker, you can go back over as well and add some more. All right, so now I'm going to go over on this side and do the other little side here. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the... Okay. Just rub that on. All right. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's pretty cute, right? Just adding a little extra dimension. I thought this was kind of cute. I thought it looked like a beehive or whatever. Yeah, I think I've got, not beehive, whatever. I think I've got it all. All right, and then I'll do, maybe I'll do another little bit over there on the side. I'll just do one more for you to see. Let's see, we go on this side. Maybe just a little bit there. So we'll go from here, cut up. Okay, same thing. You just peel it off like you do a regular transfer. Take the backing sheet off. And then lay it down. Let's see, can I lift that back up? I want to take those off. I didn't. Oh, well, it's already going. I wanted it to be there, a little less of a harsh line. Okay. I like how it looks sort of distressed on the outside edge there. Okay, anyway, that's fine. All right. Make sure I got it all on there. Okay. And then peel it back. All right. And then again, you take your foil and you want the colors side up. See, this side is the side that's gonna go down. So you want your color side up, shiny side up. And then just smooth your foil over. Take your tool and just run it up over it, and you'll start to see the pattern come through. Okay. And then you can see, here's your foil has adhered to the sticky side. And you can always go back over it again if you want to see if you've got all of it. Make sure you got all of it. Yep. And we'll do that over here too. This is a little sticky over here somewhere. I don't know. Okay. How cute. I like that. Right. And what about maybe like a little section right here? That'd be cute, right? Let's do that. All right, so we want it to be maybe like so, correct? So let's cut this one out. We don't want that. And then go here to there. Okay. So I go here and around, around. And like thing. Take your backing off. Adhere it down. Use your tool just like you would a regular transfer. The only difference is that they are sticky. Okay, and then peel back. All right. And let's see if we can still use the same sheet. I think we still have enough on there that we can use it. Okay, and then lay it down. Use your hand to apply. And then use your tool. Go over all of the stickiness. Okay. Oh, I'll go this way. See? All right, peel it back. And then it looks so pretty. Okay. Yep. Where's there a sticky piece here? There's a stickiness there. There. How cute does that look? And we only needed one sheet for all of that. That's awesome. Love it. How cute. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to use. Thanks.